Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm talking about these gloves by The Drop. They are so fun and funky and fluffy. So these mittens, they are very large looking on the outside, but pretty fitted on the inside. You can see it kind of has this layer inside that your hand fits into. So it is a traditional mitten on the inside. It's pretty roomy. I wouldn't say it's huge, but it is a little bit roomy. And they're super warm. When you put them on, they are very cozy, very fashionable, also match great with the hat that The Drop has as well that I'm wearing. And I would definitely recommend these if you having a fun night out, you're going to a fair, you want to be extra cozy and warm. I think these gloves are awesome for that. And just something different. You don't see something like this every day, so you'll be noticed and you'll look great in these.